Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Jobs for Engineers Job Series. Engineer System Integration at Mercedes-Benz Research and Development India Private Limited. Mercedes-Benz India Private Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of the German Daimler AG founded in 1994 with headquartered in Pune, Maharashtra, India. Mercedes-Benz India pioneered the luxury car market in India. Mercedes-Benz was recognized as India's most admired company in a survey by Fortune India magazine in 2013. Mercedes-Benz India Private Limited are now one of the largest development centers outside Germany, employing over 5,000 skilled engineers aside from being an integral part of all business unit and brands of Daimler worldwide. For more information, please visit their website as shown on screen. In this recruitment, following engineers can apply: electronics engineers, electrical engineers, and mechanical engineers. For details, please see the video fully. You are watching the channel Engineering Jobs for You. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. From this channel, every day 10 a.m. we will upload new government jobs for engineers, and every day 5 p.m. we will upload private jobs for engineers. Now let us see the details about the opportunity. They are called for Engineer EE System Integration at HIL Plant Modeling. Job responsibilities: plant modeling of powertrain, e-drive, BMS, braking and other important systems towards HIL sign-off testing. First principle based plant modeling of powertrain, e-drive, components for testing, powertrain, etc. Definition of work package for peers and externals with free interaction with the system and component responsible from Germany or India. Support scheduling of tasks and timely completion of implementations. Process awareness by team for deliverables. Qualification of software in HIL environment. Necessary skills are experience in development of physical and mathematical modeling of e-drive, powertrain, BMS in MATLAB and simulation link. Understanding of series software development methods and tools like fixed point coding, target link data, dictionary, software in loop, hardware in loop systems, ability to comprehend the system level architecture of set of ECUs and experience with the ECU communication protocols like CAN, LIN, FlexRay, etc. Experience nice to have, good analytical and problem solving skills, successful track recording in project execution, ownership of project activities and getting it delivered. German language proficiency is an advantage. Basic education, be electronics or electrical or mechanical with graduation or post graduation. Background focus on control system, communication and algorithm. Organization is Mercedes-Benz Research and Development India Private Limited. Primary location will be Karnataka, Bangalore. Role is Engineer System Integration. Function area is automobile. Function area is production manufacturing. It's a full-time permanent job. Interested candidates can see the detailed notification, can apply online on the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and link in my description also. That's all for today's job news from Engineering Jobs for You. As you know, every day 10 a.m. we will upload government job opportunities, and every day 5 p.m. we will upload private job opportunities. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.